Almighty healer, he healed the lepers. When the cripples saw him, they started walking. Everywhere he went, my Lord, everywhere he went, he was doing good. Almighty healer, he healed the lepers. When the cripples saw him, Almighty healer, he healed the lepers.
Men no me chop the level footer. Boy no me chop the level footer.
What I'm saying is that we thank you guys so much for whatever you're doing, because it's not easy to even start doing it for 25 years, as you said. So from 25 years, you didn't even stop, and you're still doing it. So may God bless you guys. Like this, you guys need, like, your fruit, the fruit of your labor should grow more and more and more. And thank you guys so much for doing this.
Yeah, so like my sister said, we're very grateful for the work that you do. And this all started with our sisters. It's 8 girls, 8 of us, and our brother-in-law.
8 of you?
Yes.
You feel you have the Christ life in you. When people are suffering, you put yourself in them to do something for them. You will not be self-centeredness, like everything is about me, about me, about me. So, if you're a child of God, there are certain things you will not do. You see, the children are sleeping in a nice place. I live in the old place. It doesn't mean that I don't deserve something good. But you see, you only sleep under one roof. If you have billions in your account and people are working without food just to be lord over them, then you are not doing what God wants you to do. So the Bible says, let the man which is in Christ Jesus be in you. And the kingship starts from the Bible. And therefore, we must encourage our people to go into leadership so that we can transform. We have what it takes to run our country. But if the leaders doesn't have the fear of God, how can they run our country? How can we have all the natural resources and what we have and still live in poverty? But it's the mindset. As man thinketh, so you see. I believe that I am not a poor person. I don't live in a third world country. I believe we are going to make this country better, a place where people will run and will love to come to live. I believe so. Thank you. So on that note, we are going to sing.
When we hear a setting call, when the world must come together as one, there are people dying. Oh, and it's time to lend the hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a better day. So let's start giving. There's a choice to make it. We saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day. Just you and me. Oh, send them your hearts so they know that someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. We are the world. the children. We are the ones to make a better day, so let's start giving. There's a choice to make it. We saving our own lives. It's true, make a better day, just you and me. Almighty healer, he healed the lepers. When the cripples saw him, they started walking. Everywhere he went, my Lord was doing. Everywhere he went, he was doing good. Almighty healer, he healed the lepers. When the cripples saw him, they started walking. Everywhere he went, my Lord was doing good. My Lord was doing. Everywhere he went, he was doing good. Almighty healer, he healed the lepers. When the cripples saw him, they started walking. Everywhere he went, my Lord was doing good.
Hi, everybody. This is just the beginning, and this is just something little we have. So I would like to you guys to be very respectful, study hard, and you're gonna be seeing us here every year. If we can't come, we have liaisons that they're gonna come, you know. And if you need anything, go and tell your papa so that he put the list down so that he can send us the list. All right. And thank you guys for having us.
My Lord was doing. Everywhere he went.
My name is Jennifer. I'm the CEO of the Flakwah Charity Foundation.
Hi everybody, my name is Dorcas. I'm one of the organizers, okay?
Okay, do you hear the name? Yeah! What's the name?
Hi guys, my name is Audra and I'm one of the executive directors.
Hi guys, my name is Blessing and I'm here with
My name is Emmanuel.
Oh, Uncle Emmanuel. So Daddy, you tell them Santa about the home and then, yes, please, thank you.
Thank you. Buluan, put your hands together. Again, tell them you are welcome. You are welcome. Yeah, thank you so much. It's been a very long journey. Yeah, we had a vision in 2006. We started, and by 2011, I got everything registered and organized. And then in somewhere 2009, I met the first boys and girls. There were about 25 in numbers. And today, by the grace of God, they are all grown and
They are doing well, just that he doesn't know how to propose yet. Yeah. Yeah. So since then, God has been so faithful unto us. We've been to 4 different places, Swotum, and then to NDC, and then to the municipal assemblies area there. And in 2012, we came to 1-story building here. And when people started visiting us, they think we have all the money in the world, and then they increase the rent so much, and then we have to move to this place. And so aside this place, the plan was to be able to raise some funds and buy it while we are living in here. And unfortunately, it is not done yet. But currently, we are also trying to build our own place at Dodowa, and that is what we're doing. Adodowa is like a village, like 5 bedroom, so that children will live like family. So one of the houses is ready. So we have 18 children living there right now, with people taking care of them. Yeah, so we work with the anti-human traffic unit also. And so some of the children here are traffic victims that they rescue, and then they will bring them, and then we'll help with their rehabilitations, and then some of them with different cases. And then we get them from social welfare, the police, and the court. And fortunately for us too, we have some able workers, and then some of the volunteers, because we don't pay him. Yeah, they will come and help us take care of the children. And myself too, I am a graduate from Kwame Nkrumah University. I did social work, so all this help us to take care of the children, and that is what we are doing. Since then, many children have passed through our hands, and by the grace of God, they are doing well, and they are becoming who God wants them to be.
So we're from the Flakwah Charity Foundation. This is just a new foundation that we just created, and it's in the States, New York. So we just came for to visit family, and then we think that we should just bring some little things for you guys. So this is not gonna be the first time, you know. We're gonna come more, but for us to keep coming again, you guys have to be very respectful. Your grades have to go up, because I'll be talking to Marvin. The minute Marvin tell me that your grades are not good, guess what? We'll take it to Dodowa. So your grades have to be excellent, and you have to be very Oh, we'll take it to don't know why and where. Yeah, so like I said, the Flakwah basically is, we created this group for that our last name is Flakwah, meaning like Ufremikwa. So we're from Adan. So we can speak that down very well, and we 8 girls, and basically that's it. Yeah. I'm gonna give it to Adra to also say a little thing.
Like my sister said, this will not be our first time here. We'll try to make a yearly thing to always come here, stop by. We're so grateful for the work that you guys are doing. I think you guys are doing an amazing job, and yeah, we're just happy to be here, and we're so grateful that you accepted and welcomed us in here. So thank you so much.
Okay, so his favorite food, the game. Go to somebody and go 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. Hey, go. Artist here.
Good, Almighty healer, he healed the lepers. When the cripples saw him, they started walking. Everywhere he went, my Lord was doing. Everywhere he went, he was doing good. Almighty healer, he healed the lepers when the cripples.
The idea from this foundation is like growing up, no, your grandmother no, or try to say your mad dear. Or no dear, I remember that every Sunday, sometimes we always laugh about it. There's like a lot of people will come because Sundays we have like we're gonna cook a lot of rice, and people will come out like from different houses just to eat it. So me seeing how my grandmother, my mom, everybody gave foundation to also give out to everybody. We don't have no limit. We're just giving it out to whoever we can help. Yeah. Me started from with me, all my sisters and my husband, my great supporters. Like my husband, I tell him, I was like, this is what we have to do, and he was like, yeah, that's a good idea. He was every time we started from the beginning that we started, it was just his money, my sister's money, like all of us, my dad, like, you know, it's just the family that were like, let's do something, you know. And now it's like, I think it's been like 2 years or 3 years now. So we've been doing galas and stuff, and other people are able to donate stuff so that we can also use it to donate. So basically now it's not just only coming from us, it's also coming from our friends, our family, some of my aunts here. Oh, it's here to stay. Definitely here to stay. You know, it's kind of growing because like I mentioned before, from the beginning, it's just family that we put in. But now we have executive members and we have a site. So other people are able to donate. So right now it's here to stay. It just started, but I think this is here to definitely stay. Our great grandkids are going to continue this.
Is it going to base in the States or you have branch here in Ghana?
All right. For the beginning, right now, we're doing it in the States, as most of us live in the state. But in the future, the plan I have is that in the plan I also want to have like an orphanage home, so that if I have all the stuff, I can also take it to my orphanage home or give it to a different orphanage home. That's the idea I have. You know, that's the idea we have. We have a long-term idea, but right now, since we don't have any orphanage home yet, it's good that everything that we have, we give out to every orphanage home possible that we can get.
Or is it going to be like every year thing or?
Oh, definitely, it's going to be an every year thing because every day people like in the state, every day people call me. They have things to donate. You know, it's not just money people are donating. People are donating dress, like clothes, shoes, bags. It's a whole lot of things that everybody's, you know, every day, definitely somebody's calling me. And you know, in the States, summertime, we have different clothes that we wear, and in the winter. So some people, once the summer is over, they call me, oh, we have this, can you come and take it? You know, then I just go and pick them up. Yeah.
What's the way forward?
The way forward is just, you know, doing it big and doing it every day. And we just pray that God help us, that since we started, I know we're not gonna stop, you know, but you know, sometimes when you're human, you're gonna say, you know, you're not gonna stop, but there's gonna be a different obstacle around your way. But as a human being, as right now, I know our way forward is just doing it big and more big. I always say thanks my cute husband David. I mean, everybody know him as Nana Pon, so I want to thank him so much for always being by my side. I know every time I tell him to do he do most of the work, so I want to thank him. I want to thank my father, Mr. Flakwah, and one person, my mom. I know the Flakwah usually is from my dad, but we also did it for my mom because I see my mom give a lot. My mom used to work in Ada in the market, so I see how she be giving kids books and all those stuff. So seeing all those things, the main thing also motivates us to do this from our mom and, like I said, my grandmother. So thanks for my mom for giving birth to us, for doing this, and the Flakwah sisters. You know, I can't do nothing. I can't go a day without them. So they know every day I'm calling them, guys, what can we do to make this great? And they also have the idea.
Add a little bit in your local language.
Okay, so he came in my day ye mami peno because came mami for me wio jine no no me kla ile kan ebenye ne ma peno kolo ike say ye sister so me I know kan dana ma de ke say nganya gba say dano ki gba nya me ne anya ni ma gba kolo ike me wa peno awe ne mo hu openo awe openo kan oba here oba help work and no apio because ko be yo wa lino kono apio kolo. Thank you.